Well, what it is, what it was, and what it's gonna be, YouTube. We out here. And boy, I'm late again, y'all. I'm sorry. Boys already out here, got a rabbit going and running. Get my gun out. I got here late, but I still killed that rabbit for him. I don't know what's going. We out here, y'all. City Boy Kennels. Me and shoot him in the face. Let's come on with me. Let's see what it do, baby. Together. I don't know what the rabbit gonna do, but they got one together. Driving them on down. I'm coming this way. Let's see who ready to get me. I don't know like that. He's really coming. Oh, what the hell? Man, I don't know what that happened. I got to look at that on camera, y'all. I got to look at that on camera. There you go, he's still sitting there. They gonna catch it. They gonna catch him. Ah, don't eat him. Who got it? Who got it? He ain't running fast. I don't know why I didn't shoot his nose off completely. He was still sitting in front of the dog. Killer swab, baby. I don't know what happened, bro. I'll tell y'all on the next one. What in the world? I'm glad he did. Boy, he was getting it, boy. Boy, you said he, there you go. That joker was way over there. Man, he jumped. Hey, I see what preacher went down in there. All right, wrap it down, y'all.
I'm like, there you go. There you go.
Boy, he was gone already. So he coming to you. I got your ass. Yeah, boy. He down. He was up under that bank right there. I knew he was, man. I'm surprised he was running that fast, man. He didn't run nowhere because he was hit. But I'm telling you, I'm gonna look at that film. That shot should have knocked his head off.
Hey,
I ain't gonna talk about it. I ain't gonna say I'm the best shot in the world. I ain't gonna say I didn't jerk the dang on gun off of him, but he was right there in front of me at 3 feet. Killer squad, baby. Rabbit down. I got another one up. I said they got one up. I'm gonna see what they do. Alright. Ain't come out of too balled open up here unless he down in that little creek. Alright. Line him up. Wait, what? Who gonna find him now? I'm ready this time. I ain't gonna miss. Killer Squad and City Boy Kennels, baby. Sound like they got one rolling. Another one here. I was just over in there fighting them briars. Must have seen him. Let's get back on it, y'all. Killer Squad, City Boy Kennels. They've been bumping around, spitting here and there, and all got together on it now. They ain't coming this way, y'all. We just listening. Gotta love it, man. I thought we'd have jumped more than that, but stuff is different now, you know. Places where water was, it ain't. Once when it's thick, it ain't. New spots that got thick, so stuff that moved around. I heard someone been coming to me. Killer Squad City Boy, baby. They coming, y'all. I gotta jump. Look where I can see. He's still running. Nope. I'm shooting behind them rabbits. Come on here, hang. Let me put in some real firepower, y'all. I'm gonna quit playing. I've been shooting these bull crap shells that I bought, cause I bought them, and they're just not doing the job for me. Copper got it right. Copper, come here. That's what he lost me. They overran it, but he picked it up over there. Let me put a shell in here. got him dead. Yeah. Killer Squad, baby. City Boy Kennels. Grab it down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going on up. We'll come back across Brandon here. He's right there. Whatever he was under, they got him from up underneath there. Know where he's going. Get it, I'm gonna go over here where they jumped him up at. Killer Squad and City Boy, and they bring him back down this way, y'all. We got another nerd up. We got another one going, y'all. Y'all. Killer Squad, City Boy Kennels. Come on, Dixie. Keep him on. He's gonna go back up that way. He didn't get that close. He went on down. Yeah, that's what he did. He didn't come that close, boy.
I'm coming on around now.
We're gonna come back up here to the left. Good run, good run. They're looking at him. I said the dog's looking at him. Coming back around this way. That sound good, y'all. Killer Squad and City Boy Kennels. They get a little closer. Another jump. Dixie gonna bump the rabbit if he come that way. I changed my shells up, y'all. Put them new number 9s up. And them old store-bought corner store shells up. What's going on down there? That's it. You got it. All right, cut him off. He ain't gonna say no watch, he gonna say something. I'm just waiting. Uh-oh, did he miss it? Pepper, get in the race. What are you doing? That's why the rabbit running crazy. You running circles round. That's why the rabbit tripping. Keep they bumping the rabbit. Keep bumping the rabbit. I thought he got him. He didn't get him, y'all. Who missed that one? Who missed that one? I didn't hear what you said.
Is the rabbit dead?
Dogs quit running, y'all. Boy, you must got him dead then, don't you? Ah, boy, ain't nobody messing with that dude. Killer Squad, and City Boy Kennels. Boy, you shouldn't be kissing cattails in the face. You don't want to kiss them in the face.
I would hit me on the side of the face like this and busted all across me.
Hey, YouTube, man, we gone, man. Brandon had to do something, so we got gone. He ended up killing all the rabbits. I'm out there playing with new shells, trying to see what they do. Old shells, I shouldn't be shooting. It's all good, though. I had a good time. I'm sort of glad I ain't killed none. I ain't got clean, nothing. Well, man, how you enjoy the day, bro?
I had fun for most of the day.
That's what's up. Dogs did all right. They did pretty fair. I thought it would have been more rabbits. Still a good day. I can't be mad. I'm gonna tighten up on my shooting though. That was a bad report today, but I'll get it together. Killer Squad, man. Thanks for watching, liking, comment, and subscribing. Appreciate your time that you spend watching us doing what we love to do, man. Hey, ain't nothing like being out there in God's beautiful creation, seeing his wondrous and how smart that dang on rabbit to do you when he do you. All right. Stay blessed. What you got to say, boy?
Stay blessed. Get out and get them.
Yeah. All right.